for the love of vintage, I'll smash. I'll pass, of course. I'll pass.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
It's up, beautiful people. It's one of one Frank Dambe, certified, bona fide, you know the vibes. Alright, so in this video we are going to Lake Chivero. It's a car meet, you know. As you can see, you can show around. We are going for a car meet. It's a final car meet for the year. So yeah, we are going to have fun. VWs, Mercedes, we have BMWs, we have Honda Fits, we have NV350s. You know, we have Nissans here. We have Nissans. Yeah. So we're going to have fun. Let's jump in. Yes, sir. I believe you check here, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What did? Oh, very good.
Bambo ripai ipapo.
Rama baby, Rama. Yes. Rama boyfriend. Rama baby. Yes.
The defensive mechanism.
God have mercy upon us.
Yeah, so Team VW is about to get in now, so it's about to get exciting. Yay, with my boy. Are you excited? Are you excited? Come on. Are you excited, my boy? My boy will be excited, I know that for sure. This guy loves petrol, so yeah, I'm racing a petrol head. Uncle! Yes, sir. BMW, I'll smash. That's a smash. Both Mark 1 GTI, I'll smash. Mark 1, smash. Runx, I'll pass. My first car was a Toyota, so I'll pass. Nissan, yeah, smash. I love, for the love of vintage, I'll smash, 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 smash. I'll smash. Mercedes, it's a German, so I'll smash. Alright, Subaru. For the love of noise, I'll smash. For the love of noise, I'll smash. Yeah, that's a smash, 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 smash. Subaru, smash. BMW, German machine, German muscle. So I'll smash, 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 smash. Come here. Honda Fit, I'll pass. I'll pass. I don't want slow cars. What is this? Is this a parcel? I'll pass, of course. Of course, I'll pass. Yeah, so that's basically Range Rover. I'll pass. Yes.